Hi everyone, welcome to Numeriq Learning. So in today's video, let us solve some more important questions from your previous year's question paper. The first question for the day is from quadratic equation. You are given if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, you have to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So you are given alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, so if you are given the roots, so the solution will be, you are given the quadratic equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, right? First of all, if the roots of the equation are alpha and beta, the sum of the roots, right? Sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta. Okay, let me write it as sum alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a, right? Which will be, from this equation you have, what is your a is 2, your b is minus 5 and your c is nothing but 3. Okay, so what will be minus b by a? It will be minus of minus 5 by 2, which is nothing but 5 by 2. This is your sum of the roots, right? And then the product of the roots. So the product of roots will be alpha beta, which will be c by a. So what is c by a? So alpha beta will be equal to, c is 3, a is 2, 3 by 2. Okay, so you have got alpha plus beta, and now let us write what you have to find. You have to find the value for 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So take the LCM. So when you take the LCM, alpha beta, numerator you will have beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta, right? What is alpha plus beta? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 divided by alpha beta is 3 by 2. This is nothing but 5 by 2. When the denominator is a fraction, you can take it, you can take the reciprocal of it, which is 2 by 3. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the answer is 5 by 3. Right? So the given answer is 5. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is nothing but the value is 5 by 3. Okay, so you get 2 marks for this. Okay, so this is it's a 2-mark question. Now let's do another question. Okay, so the question is, find a relation between x and y such that a point x comma y is equidistant from the points namely 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Okay, so you have to find the relationship between x and y. Okay, so now let us do this. So let P be a given point x comma y. Okay, now this is equidistant from 2 points, equidistant, same distance, right? From the point A, which is nothing but 3, 6, and from the point B. So PA distance is the same as PB distance. B is nothing but minus 3, 4. Okay, this is what is given. You have to find the relationship between x and y such that the point Px, y is equidistant. So which is that point? Which is that point which will have an equal distance between the two given points A and B? Okay, so we have to just assume. Let's calculate now. Since it's given it's equidistant, PA should be equal to PB. Right? Now for calculating the distance between PA and PB, let us assume, say this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. Okay, so x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. Okay, so what is the distance formula? The distance formula is nothing but distance formula between 2 points. If you have to calculate the distance, the formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? Okay, now let us calculate. So you are given your distance between P and A is equal to distance between P and B. What is P and A distance? Apply the same formula, that is square root of x2 is x minus x1, that is 3 the whole square, plus what is your y2 minus y1, that is y minus 6 the whole square. Okay, so y minus 6 the whole square is equal to square root of the same way distance between P and B. So it's x minus of minus 3. Okay, x minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. Now you have, let's just solve it. You have to squaring both the sides because you have to remove the square root. Squaring both sides. Now you get x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square is equal to, okay, so this is here minus of, so you have x minus of minus 3, which is nothing but your x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, plus y minus 4 the whole square, right? Okay, so all, please remember to not, so this is nothing but x minus of minus 3 the whole square, right? Minus into minus is plus, so do not forget that. Now let us expand it using the formula that we already know. What is x? A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square, 3 square 9 minus 2ab, so 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y equal to, as usual, x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. So cancel whatever is common. Plus 9 gets cancelled. Y square gets cancelled. Right? So what is left? Minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y equal to 6x plus 16 minus 8y. Bring everything to one side. Okay, so you will have 6x plus 6x. I'm taking LHS to the RHS side. Minus 8y plus 12y and then plus 16 minus 36 equal to 0. I've brought all of this LHS terms to RHS. So minus 6x I took there, it became plus 6x. Okay, minus 8y is as such. Minus 12y, when you transpose to the other side, transposition it to the other side, it becomes plus 12y. So like that, okay, plus 16 remains the same, plus 36 goes the other side, becomes minus 36. Now it's all about solving. So what do you get? 12x plus 4y minus, you have 20 equal to 0. Isn't it? You can take 4 common out. So you'll have 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so or you can say 3x plus y equal to 5. So this is the relationship between, this is the what is asked. So if you have this for any point, okay, it could be any distance, isn't it? The distance between P and A, it could be 5 centimeters, it could be 8 centimeters, it could be say 10 centimeters, does not matter. It depends on what x and y you are taking. And similarly, that is the relation between x and y. So for any value of y, you can find out the x using this relationship. So this is the relation between your x and y. A very, very good question. So please do make a note of it. Yeah. Okay, let's do another question. Now, here in this question, you are given two triangles. Okay, and you're given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. These are the things which are given. Okay, and their lengths, the sides, okay, the sides are of lengths in centimeter. Find the length of each side. Okay, you are only given that the two triangles are similar. Okay, and you have to find the lengths of each side of each side of both the triangles of each triangle, right? Let's draw the two triangles which is there in the question paper. Okay, here I draw both the triangles. One of it is here, the side, this is your A B C, this is your D E F. Okay, so you are given this side DE 18, here it is 3x, this is your 2x minus 1, 2x plus 2, and then this is 3x plus 9, and then 6x. If you see, there's only one variable x in both, isn't it? Now, based on the based on the fact that is given about the two triangles, that is triangle ABC. Okay, so solution, you are given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So what does that mean? It means AB is equal to D, or AB by DE, right? AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. BC divided by EF is equal to your CA by FD. Okay, so CA by FD. Remember it. Okay, now you just have to substitute. What is AB? What is the side AB? It is you are given as 2x minus 1 divided by 18 is equal to what is BC length? 2x plus 2 divided by EF 3x plus 9 is equal to CA is nothing but 3x divided by 6x. Okay, now you have to solve for x. Do not take the first two fractions, take the first fraction and the last fraction so that it's easier for you. So let's take the first and the last fraction. Okay, so what do you get? 2x minus 1 divided by 18 is equal to 3x by 6x. Okay, or this is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply. So 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 18. 2x minus 1 is equal to 9. 2x equal to 10, and therefore x is equal to 5. Okay. Now once you have got x equal to 5, you can calculate all of the distance. So you can find the lengths of all the sides. So what is AB side? AB is nothing but your 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. What is BC? BC 2x plus 2. So BC is 2x plus 2. What is your CA? CA is 3x, right? 3x. And then DE is already given, right? DE is 18. DF is 6x. DF is 6x. And your EF distance is nothing but 3x plus 9. 3x plus 9. Just substitute the value. So it's nothing but 2 multiplied by x is 5 minus 1, which is 10 minus 1. That is 9. 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. This is 3 into 5, which is 15. This is 6 into 5, which is 30. And here you have 3 into 5, 15 plus 9. What's 15 plus 9? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, right? 24. But do not forget to put the units. It's given in centimeters, so we also should write the units, and you will definitely have marks because it's mentioned in the question paper that the sides are of length in centimeters. Okay, so these are the requested lengths. Okay, and this is a 3-mark question, a good 3-mark question, a very easy one. So please do not if you get such questions, don't panic. Based on the fact that is given, right, the minute you see two triangles are similar, you should know angles, even angles are equal. A equal to D, B equal to E, angle C equal to F, AB by D equal to 1. The ratios, right, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF equal to CA by FD. Okay, so the angle, the ratio of the sides are equal. The corresponding sides are equal. Okay, so I will stop here, and we'll continue in the next video. I hope you liked it. Please do share, do subscribe, and please do support. Thank you.